Triple Q day trader, we haven't talked about it in a long time, but it is one of the strategies that is consistent in this market. It trades like triple Qs, and it had a good short trade today. New equity peaks. It had this pullback here, and now brand new equity peaks. We developed it back in this time frame towards the end of 2020. Let's look at the periodical returns. This is just a 50 share, just trading 50 shares of this, 25.31, 75 trades on the year, and 61% of those are profitable. So that is the Triple Q day trader. Let's look at it from this perspective. Again, with just 50 shares, going back about to August of 2019, the worst case drawdown is 953. We've looked at this before on a 100 share basis. So on a 100 share basis, you're looking at about 58 cents average trade profit, which is pretty good for the triple Qs and pretty good spreads. So this basically has a $5 stop loss, $5 profit target, or gets out at the end of the day. Very loose parameters, not tightly parameterized. And you can see some of the trades here: a long winner, a short loser, a short winner, a long loser there, a short winner here. So if you're looking for a strategy, if you're not interested in trying to figure out the long-term direction of the market, but want to have an advantage of what the market could do intraday, taking long and short trades, these are what some of these trades look like. Sometimes you get stopped out like this. This is a worst case scenario. You buy this gap up, it goes all the way down here, stopped out, and then it bounces. That's one day that you have a losing trade, and then another day you have a winning trade. And so if it doesn't, not all trades are stopped out. If they're profitable, or if they're up on the day, or if they're down on the day, by the time the last minute of the day gets here, you exit right on the last minute, open to the last minute, so 1 minute before the close. And so that's what happened today. And QQQ DayTrader is the name of the strategy. Some other top strategies that short this market. And we're in a market that can be shorted more easily now, starting to be a little bit easier to short this market, go long and short. And what I did want to show you was the difference between long and short trades in this setup. So going back a year and 8 months, surprisingly, I cannot find a way to do this in the futures, but in the QQQ, total net profit 55.80 on the long side, 5,050 on the short side. Average trade profit is higher on the long side, obviously, but pretty good, pretty consistent. And the long side is a little bit better, but there's not a huge difference between long and shorts. A little more balance than I would have anticipated. And so you've got a strategy that trades a two-sided market in a market that seems pretty one-sided. So pretty good advantage to trade this strategy, Triple Q day traders. Other aggressive Nasdaq strategies, let me show you those. So this is Monday, May the 10th, and you see EVP-1 here taking at 42.80 out of the market today, shorting the open, and that's gone through a drawdown. And then you have VSD Long short taking this short trade right here up on the day. It was long initially, then it got short, and now it's in the after hours taking a short and a long trade again. And so this was up, let me take a look here, 5,745 on the day. So you need strategies that short the market, and these are some of the strategies that do that well. VSD long short, EVP-1, Cobra 3s, gap continuations, and then the QQQ day trader. So good opportunities to go long and short this market if you're a short-term trader. Don't want to take long-term bets on the market, and you want to trade the ebbs and flows. These are some of the ways you can do that.